No way.
I don't believe it. I'm seriously, you guys. Come on, watch. Okay.
Oh my God! Oh, I crapped my pants!
That's amazing. I told you guys.
Dude, are you thinking what I'm thinking? That we could use the brown noise to get back at those asshole New Yorker kids.
Yeah, dude. There. That should do it. Swear, I can't wait to see him crap their pants in front of everybody, you guys. Okay, let's get back to the room.
What's this? Revised music for tomorrow?
This is gonna be sweet.
Oh no, dude, look! It's the music we changed.
Dude, if 4 million people play the brown noise at the same time...
1, 2, 3, pizza!